Natural colon cleansing at home. The colon aids in the removal of poisons and waste from the body. It helps to maintain electrolyte balance in the body by absorbing the necessary salt, sodium, and water. While frequent bowel movements aid in the elimination of waste and poisonous materials from the body, colon cleansing is still necessary to remove trapped poisons that have adhered to the colon walls. The buildup of toxins in the colon walls can cause health problems such as diarrhea, constipation, colds, headaches, lethargy, indigestion, joint pain, allergies, memory loss, stress, and eyesight problems if the colon is not cleansed adequately. Colon cleansing is the process of cleaning and eliminating toxins from your colon. Organic medicines are also available for use at home. Eat vegetables and fruits that are high in fiber. Vegetables are quite excellent at removing toxins and waste from our colon. Fiber-rich fruits and vegetables help maintain our colon clean by emptying out toxins on a regular basis. It is critical to include fiber-rich fruits and vegetables in your daily diet, such as apples, raspberries, prunes, pears, and broccoli, spinach, artichoke, peas, and so on. You are already preventing the buildup of toxins in your intestines by consuming these on a daily basis. Triphala herbal treatment. Triphala is a laxative that comes from nature. Triphala contains linoleic oil, vitamin C, phospholipids, and bioflavonoids, which stimulate bowel movement and aid in the removal of toxins and waste from the body. Simply combine a glass of water and a tablespoon of Triphala to use. It should be had first thing in the morning. Sea salt. People with high blood pressure or other cardiac issues should avoid using this treatment. Consult your doctor beforehand. Fill a glass halfway with water, then pour the contents into a pot and bring to a boil. Add a tablespoon of sea salt to the boiling water and continue to boil. After a few seconds, remove the pot from the heat and set it aside to cool. Sip the water slowly. After drinking the salt water, you will feel queasy, so lie down and rest. You will then feel compelled to use the restroom. During the remaining hours of the day, get enough rest. As a result, it is preferable to perform this therapy on the weekend. Apples. You've probably heard the adage, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Fresh apples are good at removing harmful elements that have become stuck in our intestines. When you wake up in the morning, treat yourself to a glass of fresh apple juice. After that, wash it down with a glass of warm water. You can increase your waste disposal and bowel movement by consuming at least 3 to 4 glasses of fresh apple juice every day. Water. It is critical that we hydrate ourselves on a regular basis in order for our body's many organs to work correctly. A daily water consumption of 8 to 10 glasses is advised. You are boosting the natural peristaltic activity of your colon by drinking adequate water, which helps it to function regularly. Fresh vegetable and fruit juices, coconut water, fresh lemon juice, and other beverages are also acceptable. Avoid sodas and colas as much as possible. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.